we are doing an addition on a very old home, and now they are completely renovating the house and adding on even more space. We're tying a lot of new into old, and we're finding a lot of interesting things, I'll say, on this job. We found much of the existing home was built on a fieldstone foundation and had no footings. So we can't properly tie our new footings into the old footings as called for on the plans because there are no old footings. The client is now going to have to pay for a structural engineer to design the proper way to mitigate what we've run into. So we always tell people, put a little bit of money in your budget for unanticipated things that may arise. So we're going to bring the professionals in and see what they say. We'll assign a cost for the additional work, get approval for the homeowner, and then continue. Hopefully there'll be some progress shots in the future that you'll get a chance to see what we do when we tie new into old.